Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. In this video I'll be showing you how you can factory reset your AirTag. So if you're giving away your AirTag or you just want to test this out, this is going to help you. So first of all, to factory reset the AirTag, it is smart to just disconnect it from your phone, because maybe if you're giving it away you want to do this anyway. So just hop it into the Find My app and then go to the AirTag you want to disconnect or give to someone else, and then click on that and then remove the item. That's an easy way just to remove the AirTag so you can give it to other people now. And then they are able to connect themselves. Now, if you also want to factory reset it, so if you just want to give it away, you can also just disconnect it. Then you don't have to factory reset it. But if you want to factory reset it because something's not working or something, then you want to click onto the silver part of the AirTag and then you want to turn counterclockwise. Then this silver cap will come off and you can see the battery. Now we want to put the battery in and out 5 times. So each time you'll hear like a peeping sound, and this you should hear this 5 times, and then the AirTag will be reset. So that's how you can factory reset it. This is how you can also take out the battery if you want to change the battery. So if you want to change the battery, usually the batteries last around a year and then you want to change them. So make sure you do that if it's on low battery. That's how you can do this as well. Just take off the gray cap, press down on it, and then turn counterclockwise. And then either take out the battery or do this 5 times and wait till you hear the peeping 5 times to factory reset the whole AirTag. Yeah, that's how you can reset AirTag. If you have any more questions, just comment down below. I hope this video helped you. If it did, make sure to drop a like and subscribe.